Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
Okay. So
Yes,
in
sir.
today's session, we will going to learn how to make a Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Messenger ad, WhatsApp ad by using a single platform. Just by using a Facebook, how can you make an Instagram ad, Facebook ad, and WhatsApp ad? Okay. So I'm just starting this session. So what you have to do, yeah, I will share my screen. Can you guys see my Facebook page?
yes, sir.
Yeah. So just you have to log in your Facebook account and you have to see there is an option here, your name, home and create. You just have to click on create. After clicking on create, there is an option that create a page. Please everyone mute your mic, please. At last you can unmute your mic and ask the question. So see, there is an option of create here and you can see the option. You can create a page, ad, group, event, marketplace listing, how to raise a fund. So in today's session, we are just going for a how to create a Facebook ad. So just click on an ad. So yeah, I have just clicked on an ad, create ad button. Still people are coming in a waiting room, guys. Just wait a minute. Otherwise they will have a problem afterward. Yeah. So when you will open your Facebook profile, there is an option of create. Then after create, just click on an ad. So you will get a ad manager page, right? So you will get to see a ad manager page. So again people are coming. Okay. So there is a three main object of creating the ad manager. There are three. The process is divided into three steps. You can see in the left side of my desktop, campaign, ad set and ad. And there are the topics which we will cover today. What are the objective of the ad? What audience we have to choose? What are the placement, budget, format, media, what media we will keep, whether we will take a video or a photo or a slideshow. So these all things we will cover in this session. So just see, I will first give the intro of this page. What is ad manager? Okay. So in ad manager, you can see there is an option. There is an option here. Whether you want to create a brand awareness, whether you want to create a reach, whether you want to create a traffic on your ad or you want to create a traffic on your website. Okay, so what we are going to learn today, how to increase the traffic on our website. So just I will click on the traffic. You just guys have to click on a traffic and just scroll down. See, there is an option of traffic. I have just click on traffic and there is an option. You don't have to on or off it, just keep the same. Okay, yeah. So just click on continue. See, when you click on traffic and after continue, when you will see here, the objective is clear. Why our objective is clear? Because see, we are making an ad, so our objective is clear. After that, we have went to the second step. Okay, so just you have to give here a name. What kind of ad? Name your ad name. Like what we are doing today, we are creating a website traffic. So I have just written here a website traffic and see there is an option that you have to increase the web traffic on which application. Okay, you have to increase the traffic on website, whether you have to increase the traffic on app, whether you have to increase the traffic on Messenger or WhatsApp. So today we will just go for a website. Today we will just increase the traffic on website and learn how to increase the traffic on website. Okay. So the first option is traffic. Sorry, first option is write a ad set name. So I have given here website traffic. After that, click on a website. There is a dynamic creative, just on it, continue. After that, you can see here, there is an option. There is an option of here creating an audience. What kind of audience you have to choose? Like when you see here, wait guys, there are still people in a waiting room. Just wait a minute. Yeah. So when you will go for an audience, so there is an option in audience. So you can choose the audience. So I will create my new audience. What location you have to cover? It is completely depend on you guys. Just click on location and at the right side you will see the edit button. So just select the location here. Like I stay in Pune, so I will also cover the Pune. Whole India I am covering. But if you want to cover a particular city, just I will cover a particular city, Pune. You can also select a Delhi. You can also select a Jaipur. Okay, so I'm selecting a Pune. So by selecting the Pune, you can see in the right side, the reach of my post will reach to 8.1 thousand to 24,000 people. If you add more location, the reach will increase. It is completely depend on you how much reach you want to keep, that your post or video should reach to the people. If I am creating this post, the reach will be 8.1 thousand to 24K. Okay, and what is link click? You should know about the what is link click. See, if the person will visit your post and if he or she is not clicking on your ad, the click is not counted. If he or she is clicking on your ad and or just he is clicking that book now or learn now, so the click will be counted. So the person total will be cover about 208 people. So after that you have to create an age. Of what age you have to cover your product. Like see, Lenovate is a company which deals with book, right? And books is covered by all the age. Like we will select the minimum age 13 and let it be the maximum 65 plus, because all loves to read. Okay, and you can also select the gender here. Like our business deal with books, so I will select all the genders. Okay, you can also select the language here, ki what it should be reached to which language people, like Punjabi, like yeah, right. So you just have to select here language. After that, save this audience. So your audience is created. You can just give your audience name. I have just given Ravi Singh. You can write just audience also. And what location I am covering? I am covering India, Pune plus 40 kilometer Maharashtra. What age I am covering in my audience? 30 to 65 plus. Detail is off. Okay, save it. Just save it. So the audience part is done. See, as we are doing one step, like audience is done. Now you can see in the left side, the next step is placement. So just move to the placement part. So we have moved to the placement part. Click on manual placement, not automatic placement. You have to click on manual placement. So what is placement? You have to know about first placement. Like see, placement, where you want to post your ad. Like you want to use a Facebook platform or Instagram platform, audience network, or a messenger. Like you just want to show the ad on a Facebook, you just unselect the Instagram. But here what I am teaching how to create a Facebook ad using a Facebook platform, and you can create a various ad by using the Facebook platform, and it will also reach to the Instagram ad, Messenger, and WhatsApp. So if you don't want to post your ad on Instagram, just unclick it. Okay, now just come down. So there is even they have given the option in Facebook where you have to show your ad. Like you have to show your ad on a Facebook news feed or an Instagram feed or Instagram Explore. Like if we search, that is called Instagram Explore. Whether you want to show on a, as we go down, whether we want to show on a Facebook stories, Instagram stories, it is completely depend on you where you want to show your ad. Like I am selecting all the ticks, so it will charge me high. Like I will go down here. So yeah, I have done my placement. I'm not changing anything. I want to show my ad to each and every platform. So just go down. After placement, there is an option, see at the right side. What is this? Budget and schedule. So just we have to select our budget. Yeah. So just we have to select your budget. See, per day it will cost you 800 rupees. Why it is costing too high? Because see, we are using a Instagram platform, Messenger platform, Instagram story, Facebook story. We are covering all the parts. That's why it is costing a too high, like rupees 800 per day. And if we will go for a weekly rupees, so it will cost you 5,600, and including tax it will cost you 6,600. Like you people will tell now, sir, it is costing too high. Why it is costing too high? Because we are using a placement, right? We are using a Facebook story. See here, I have ticked all the boxes. That's why your ad will be appear on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, on story. That's why it is costing too high. Otherwise it will cost you minimum 3,000 to 4,000, right? Just continue it. So now we have reached to the last step, that is third step. You can see at the left of my side, like ad. The first option is identity. After that, format, media, and you can see in the second step, traffic is tick, dynamic is tick, audience done, placement done, and budget. We have also set the budget. We are just creating a ad for 1 week. It is costing around 6,600. So after that, the last part is identity. Like see, we will see the first room of identity. Yeah. So just you have to mention your ad name here. Like what we are going to do in this ad, we are increasing the traffic. So I will just keep the name as traffic. So after that, the first step is identity. So identity, like they have given the option here, Facebook page. If you are creating a Facebook ad and you have to promote your product, you should have a Facebook page. Your business account should be there on a Facebook page. Like we have our company's page, that is Lenovate. Like, right, we have select here Lenovate, and like we are also creating a ad on Instagram by using the Facebook platform. So even they have given an option of here Instagram page. So this is our Instagram page, our Lenovate. You guys might be knowing. Okay. So just we have done with the identity. Now the next step is format. So we will go for the format. What kind of format do you want? Okay, what kind of format do you want? Like your post should be in a photo, or just your post should be in a slideshow, or you have to create a video. Like see, video creates a more impact than a photograph. Okay, so what we will do, we'll directly go to the media and see there is an option. Like you have to create a post, or you have to create a slider show, or you have to create a video. Like I want to create a video because it impacts a lot. Okay, so what you have to do, you just have to click on create video. So I'm just clicking on create video. So see, the Facebook is already giving you the templates. You can choose any of the templates, or you can include your own video also. Like see, if we will see the first video, it is indicating a delivery, e-commerce video. It is a type of e-commerce video, and our company is also e-commerce. So I will go with this video only, first video. Okay. So what I have to do here, just I have to go down and see there is an option customize. After selecting on create video, the Facebook will provide you all the video. Okay, guys, wait, I will increase the time of the session. Just wait a minute, guys. Yeah, it is done. So there is an option of customize. So I will just click on customize. And what I will see here, they have given how you can edit this video. Like see, the first image is the person is holding the parcel. Like if you want to change this image, like I want to change this image and I want to take the image from my PC or laptop. So just click on change image and just go, it will directly go to the download files, and I'm selecting this first one and continue. So see, the person is holding a parcel of Lenovet, right? Lenovet books. And what they have written, you can also edit this. We have got contactless delivery. So let it be with the same statement. And what is the second sliding video? Like we have to add a logo. So just change image, add our company's logo, continue. So yeah, logo is done. And you can also see your video by playing it. See here. Let it be in from starting the, okay. So this is our video which we have created. So it is all set. So just click here, use video. So I'm using this video which I have created. I have just used a Facebook template and I have just changed the image. So just wait for the video to be uploaded. It will take a time. So we have done with the media part. Like you can also create a post, you can also create a slider show, but I think video is more impact and it shows the more information about the product and company. That's why I have choose the video. You can also choose the post also. Okay, I have done with the video. See, my video is uploaded here. The video is of 0.8 seconds. Okay, so done. So just move to the next step. The next step you can see in the left side is text and link. So when you will see at the text and link, there is an option like see primary text, headline. You can see here headline. You can also add your website. So I am adding our website so that it should be appear in the video. So like I am posting our website here, okay, that is www.lenovet.com. So yeah, I'm done with my website. So now there is the option like what you have to do. See, our video have came. This is how it will look on your Facebook feed, guys. See in the right side of my desktop, you can see this is how your post will be look on the Facebook feed. They are completely showing it. See what it will look like. Lenovet.com, Lenovet buy second-hand books, learn more. See, there is an option. What option here? It is coming learn more. But we don't want people to learn more from our website. We want people to buy the books from our website. So what we will do, call on action. There is an option of call to action. So just click on that and there is an option request time, apply now, book now. Okay, we will select book now. So when you will select the book now, see, now it will change. See. The option is change book now, and you can also write here headline. It is the optional part. If you want to write, you can write. Otherwise, no need of writing because it is covering all the things by our website only. Lenovet provides buy second-hand books, old books. Okay, guys, and you can also play and see the video. It will look like it will look in a Facebook feed. It can be look like this. You can also check it in how it will look like in an Instagram feed. So in Instagram feed, it will be look like, see, just see the video. On story, how it will be look like, okay. So just move down. We have done with identity, format, media, text and link. Now we will move down. What more option they have? So yeah, and the last option is tracking, and tracking is not so important. You don't have to do that. And the last step of Facebook ad is to you have to wait, guys, somebody. Okay. Yeah, so just you have to confirm here. Just click on confirm. Yeah, so yeah, it is creating a Facebook ad now. So this is how you can create a Facebook ad, guys. I will stop this ad now. Just wait a minute, guys. So they are asking for a payment, right? So if I will do the further process, so my payment will get debit and the ad will be shown on our Facebook page, Instagram story,